Welcome back. In a previous video, I discussed how to export a SIF file from the canvas. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it from my catalog. I'm in my catalog and I'm looking at the table view. This is important because you can't export SIFs from the gallery view. So you have to be in the table view. From within the table view, you can select as few or as many products as you would like to export, and then you're going to come over here to the three-dot menu next to the Create Product button, drop it down, and click Export to SIF. Refer back to my previous video, which you can link to above, to find out a little bit more about how the field mapping works. But basically you get to the same field mapping modal that you would from a canvas. The only difference here is that when you're coming out of my catalog, you won't have any quantities because these aren't placed into a canvas, and so they're just singular products, nor will you have any reference to areas or anything like that. So just go ahead and download, and your SIF file will be downloaded into your downloads. In this case, it'll come out with a name called Products and then the date after it, and you'll be able to go find that in your downloads folder, and it'll also be emailed to you, and you may find it in your inbox. Thank you very much.